This quick tutorial showing you how to cancel your Murf.AI subscription. All you have to do is open up Browser tab and go to Murf.AI page. Make sure you are logged into your account where you're paying for the subscription. Click here, and this possibilities opens up at you. Choose Workspace Settings. Scroll down a bit and you'll see Subscription. Here you have the option to cancel the plan. If you click on it, this window will pop up. It will offer you the option to pause your subscription for 1 month, with some benefit, but if you are not interested, click on Continue to Cancel. Choose the reason why you want to end your subscription, and then click on Cancel Subscription at the bottom, and you're done. You will be able to use Murf.AI until the end of the period you paid for, but the next payment will not be made. If you change your mind, you can simply use the previous steps and click Resume Plan. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.